This is a platform. This is a saddle. And this is a video for how to set up a saddle for dummies.
Gosh, yes. Finally. The old drag. That's what we're praying for anyway. That sucker's big.
Boom, there he is.
Oh my gosh, that is so exciting.
All right, guys, welcome to the video today. We're going to do, as I said in the intro, this is kind of a how to set up a saddle for dummies. And what I mean by that is it's going to be for a person who has never, ever even Googled anything about a saddle. It's for people who have never put a saddle on. And the only way that I was able to accomplish doing this is to not have put on a saddle myself. And so the truth is, I've got a saddle here today. A buddy of mine let me borrow it to see if I like it. I have never put it on. I have no idea how it works. I've never used it. And so today what you're going to see is, you're going to see me set up a saddle for the very first time. So you're going to see all of the mess ups. You're going to see all of the things, you know, that you have to do in order to set up for a saddle. And it's going to be fresh and brand spanking new because I've never done it before. So we'll see how easy it is for somebody who is a beginner and has never done it before. So let's kind of get started. We'll take our platform first and we'll kind of put it on and see. Of course, we're not going to put it very high because I've never done this before and I do not want to fall. So you can see, you know, the platform, you can see the size of it. It's pretty small, very kind of lightweight, which is really good. And it just kind of hooks up like a, you know, like any other kind of climbing sticks or anything like that. So let's try to hook this up. Swing it around, catch it. Try to get it a little bit lower so I can actually stand on it. Okay. Tighten that thing up. All right, so we got the platform on. So now we're going to try to put the saddle on and see how you kind of do that. So let's grab the saddle and we'll put it on. First time ever, so have no idea what it's going to be like. So we'll see. So here's the saddle. Now see, it's got this rope right here. Listen, I've never even used them, so I don't even know what you call this stuff. So I think you step through here. Pull the saddle up. Obviously it's got your little clench, your little buckles. Buckle that in. Cinch that tight. Took me a second to find that. I haven't never done it before, so I had to find that loop, and obviously it takes a minute to, just a second once you find it, kind of how to do it. But when you get a little poundage on you, it's kind of harder to reach back there and hook that thing up. But we got it. Tighten that up. So there you got the stirrups. I mean, the straps that go around your legs. Okay. And in here, let's see what we got. I have no idea. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to put that right there because I have zero idea what that is. Okay, here's my, I'm assuming this wraps around the tree and hooks to me. All right. don't know how that works. Okay. Okay, so you can slide this. You can slide this up and down. It gives you the tension. So I'm not sure what this one is, unless this may be, I think this may be the climbing belt, like when you're hooking everything up. Maybe this is the safety belt. We're not very high, so we're just gonna climb up here and see if we can't figure that out. Okay, so we've got I think they call this the tether. I don't know, but we're gonna jump up on the platform and then we're gonna hook this thing up and see how it works. So let's do that. All right, let's step up on the platform. All right, platform fairly solid. Okay, you hook it. Hook it right here. Tighten that up. All right, so here we go. I don't think I got this right, but all right, I'm sitting here. I'm good to go, but I really don't think I have this right, because actually, yeah, I think that other one hooks here somehow. This is actually the safety harness. The other one is the tether. So let's pull this off. All right. All right, I have no idea what I'm doing, guys. I'm telling you, I've not looked at this. I've not done anything. It's just trial and error. So let's step back up here, see what we got. I have to go over my camera. I think I need a little more. This may supposed to. I think we're on to something here now. I think that's the way you're supposed to do it. Cool. One thing I know for sure is I have to fix the platform a little bit better, because it's a little bit shifty down there. So, I mean, I don't know, guys. Maybe I don't have it right or whatever, but I don't really see all what the big deal is about them, honestly. Other than they're lightweight and it's quick. I mean, I could certainly hunt out of this, as obviously no problem there. I just don't know what the big deal is, other than mobility, which it certainly has that. So I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go right now and I'm gonna Google some videos on how to actually put up a saddle so that I can see just how dumb I am in trying to put one together. But what I wanted to do today is I just wanted to illustrate to you what it was like for a person who has never touched one to actually get out in the yard for the first time and try to figure this thing out. Now, my recommendation obviously would be to Google information about it first, watch videos of how to do it first before you do it. But at the same time, I know sometimes, especially us guys, we don't want to do all that. We just want to grab that dude, get it, take it out there, and figure it out ourselves. So I'm going to look now at a video and see if I actually figured it out right, because it's very possible that I didn't. So watch a video, maybe not this one, and see how you put it on there, and then go do it. And hunt, hunt, hunt. All right, guys, well, I went and watched a video of how you are actually supposed to work this system so that I could show you the right way to be able to do it. Remember, the first part of this video was just me never having seen it before, just trying to show you what it was like for a guy who's never used it before. So I went and Googled the Hunting Public and saw the way that they did it. And of course, the man on there said that the first thing you should do is make sure that you hook up the safety harness. You want to do that right off the bat before you ever step onto the platform. You're still at the top of your steps, and you want to make sure you get this where it needs to be. And obviously, this is a pain in the tail. Here you go. All right, we've got that together. Now that we've got that on there, we want to take out our tether rope. And here's what I want to do. I want to throw this tether rope around as high as I can. Okay, as high as I possibly can. Okay, got it cinched up pretty good. And then I want to attach. I want to attach that to my tether. And then I want to tighten it before I actually step up on my platform. So now I've got it tightened up. I can step on my platform. All right, pull forward. I can take this loose now that I'm tethered in, and I can shove this in my pack on the side. Once I get that in there, I can tighten up I can raise up my tether a little bit more. Down on it. Get it cinched where I want. There you go. I'm good to go. This is a whole lot more comfortable than it was a little bit earlier. So now I can sit on it. I can stand like this if I want. But the key to it was making sure I put that tether rope high enough that I could just hang on this instead of putting it down a little bit lower to where I felt like I was cramped up against the tree. So I definitely learned some stuff today about putting this together. And honestly, this is no perfect video. That I'm sure that you YouTubers and people out there will look at the video and say, that idiot's going to get himself killed. Well, that's why I'm only 2 feet off of the ground, so that I can learn how to do this. But I do want to hunt with a saddle this coming up year, but I just never had fooled with one, and I wanted to try to figure it out. And obviously I will go watch some more videos, maybe even make another video a little bit later on about how you properly do it. But this one is a video for dummies of how to set up a saddle. Those who have never fooled with it ever, it's foreign to you. Well, now you can see what that's kind of like to be able to put one together and having no knowledge of it prior to trying to put it up. So pretty simple once you figure it out, but right at first trying to figure it out can be a little bit confusing. So there we go. Hopefully I'll bring a video to you next year, me killing one with it. But until then, it's just kind of cool swinging in the thing. Anyway, y'all stay tuned for some more Hunt Reel Outdoors videos of how to do hunting better. And remember, we hunt like you.